Definition of convergent sequence in a topological space. Let Xj be a topological space and Xn be a sequence in capital X. This sequence Xn is said to converge to small x is member of capital X if and only if for each open set U in capital X with x small x is member of capital U, there exists a natural number capital N such that if we take small n greater than capital N, then Xn is member of capital U. It means that किसी सीक्वेंस Xn को इन ए टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस Xj हम कन्वर्जेंट एट X बोलेंगे इफ we take any open set around X. If we take any open set around X, then this open set contains all the term of this sequence except finite number of terms. Example 1. Let R have usual topology J and Xn is equal to 1 by n be a sequence in R, then Xn tends to 0 as n tend to infinity. Means Xn converges to 0 here 0. First term of this sequence is 1, second term of this sequence half, third term of this sequence 1 by 3 and dot so on. Open set in usual topology are open intervals. If we take any open interval around 0, suppose we have open interval around 0 of radius 1 by 10, means 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Then x of n is member of minus 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10 if n is taken greater than if small n is taken greater than 10. Here 0, 1, half, 1 by 3. If we take open interval of radius 1 by 100, then Xn is member of open interval minus 1 by 100 to 1 by 100 if we take small n greater than 100. So for each open interval minus epsilon to epsilon is greater than 0, there exists natural number capital N is member, there exists natural number capital N such that xn is member of minus epsilon to epsilon if we take small n greater than capital N. Example 2. Let R have cofinite topology J and xn is equal to 1 by n be a sequence in R, then xn converges to x for every x is member of R as n tending to infinity. We want to check xn equal to 1 by n converges to a real number a or not. Let u be an open set with a is member of u in R, then U contains all the real numbers except finite numbers. So U also contains all the terms of sequence xn except finite numbers of terms. So xn tends to a as n tending to infinity. Third example, let R have discrete topology J and xn is equal to 1 by n be a sequence in R, then xn does not tends to a as n tending to infinity for every a is member of R. since singleton A for every A is member of R is open set in discrete topology which does not contains infinite number of terms. Therefore xn does not tends to A as n tending to infinity for every A is member of R.